Washington, D.C. area receives all kinds of weather, from thunderstorms and tornadoes to snowstorms and blizzards. We've experienced flooding rain, excessive heat, windstorms, even hurricanes. It's one of the most unique places to forecast for in the United States, situated between the mountains to the west and the Chesapeake and the Atlantic Ocean to the east. Our weather patterns are dictated by our geography, which, on occasion, can make or break a forecast. Our role as a broadcast meteorologist calls on us to use our experience and expertise to predict severe weather threats, the next big weather maker, and of course, the forecast for the day ahead. The Storm Watch 7 weather team will give you a look behind the curtain to show you how we make a forecast and our graphics, to the magic of the green screen, to broadcasting live on air.
The Storm Watch 7 weather team takes a lot of pride in our forecasts, trying to make the most accurate forecast for you so that you can best plan your day. So how do we predict the weather in the future? Well, we look at a lot of data. First of all, we're really lucky. We're the only station that has a network neighborhood camera, so we can see what exactly is happening in your neighborhood. We also, at a lot of area schools, maybe even your school, we have current conditions, so we can look at the temperature, the wind speed, the wind direction, the humidity, all of that. We're also taking a close eye at our satellite and radar. So this is showing us where the clouds are and where the precipitation is. We're also looking at a lot of the upper level weather patterns because the jet stream steers our weather. So that lets us know when the next weather maker is coming, when we're going to be tracking our next big change. So we put it all together after all of the hard work, and we've got our ABC 7-day forecast. So you know how to dress for school, and we'll let you know if there are any snow days in the forecast.
Now that all of our numbers and data is ingested in the computer, we can start working on our future cast, our 7-day outlook, and our day planners. All these graphics we use to show you the forecast on TV. We can adjust our graphics using a wizard. It's easy. This is where we click this yellow square, and up comes another box where we can change numbers. We can also change the icons that we use if we want it mostly cloudy, or thunderstorms, or even snow.
And for the weekend ahead, we do have the chance for some snow showers on Saturday. On Sunday, though, we could see a couple inches, maybe making a delay for students. Hey guys, a typical weather report lasts anywhere from 15 seconds to upwards of 3 minutes. But how do we know how long to go and then when to toss back to the anchors?
We have a specialized earpiece called an IFB where directors and producers can give us cues. We listen in order to know how long to go, how much time we have left, and who to toss to. This is all while we're talking about the weather live on air, as we don't read from a script. If we have breaking news, we may need to stop immediately and toss back to the desk, sometimes making for a tricky transition as everything is live on television.
We're on this work week. You had that chance for some strong to severe storms on your Tuesday. Temperatures into the low end.
Now that you've seen behind the scenes of Storm Watch 7, you may be wondering why we became interested in weather and how you too can have a future in meteorology. Well, it all started with all of us here on the team having this love and passion for all things weather. Whether it's a day that's beautiful with just some passing clouds or an exciting day with severe thunderstorms, we have this love for weather. And it involves really taking a lot of science and math of the atmosphere, complex science. Indeed, it's a complex science with lots of math and physics, so make sure you do well in those courses.
So not only does our storm track look very cool, it's actually a functioning weather vehicle. So we have weather instruments on top of the truck, courtesy of our WeatherBug network. Then you pop open the back and look, we've got an HD camera on top. So this is just one of our WeatherBug instruments. This is our anemometer. This measures wind speed and wind direction. Not only do we have the anemometer, we have a thermometer, psychrometer, barometer, hygrometer, and a rain gauge. We have an HD camera inside the car so that we can be with you live on ABC 7 and News Channel 8 as we're driving into your neighborhood to report on different weather conditions.
We'd like to thank the teachers and the students for inviting us into your school today. Be sure to tune in to ABC 7 News tonight to see your class on TV. We'll also make sure to post your visit online to the Lunchbox weather segment on WJLA.com. We hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have a great rest of the day.